Hi everyone, I'm Kelsey with JoJo Learning, and today we're going to go over how to read with your Luka device. So, first things first, you want to make sure that your Luka device is turned on by pressing the button on the back of the tail. And from here, if you are not a native Chinese speaker, I do suggest you go into your Luka app and you can go into settings and you can change your device settings to English. This way Luka can help instruct you a little bit better throughout the process. So to put your Luka device in reading mode, you're going to click on his right wing.
Let's read! Please show me the book cover so I can start reading.
Luka is going to instruct you to show him the cover of the book, and you can show him the cover at any angle 3 inches to 5 centimeters away, and he'll be able to recognize.
好饿的毛毛虫，由美国艾瑞卡尔著，郑宁静翻译，明天出版社出版。
We can try another way to read. Please pat my forehead.
So, after Luka recognizes the book, you can turn to any page in the book, and he will be able to read it.
可是肚子还是好饿。
Now, Luka had mentioned different reading modes, and what he's talking about is English, Chinese, or storytelling mode. You have different reading modes based off of the book you're reading, and I can show you one of those
I can
features.
read for you when your finger put under the word.
于是，在星期六，他决定。
So to change reading modes, you have two options.
他吃了。
You can give him 2 strong pats on the forehead, or you can go into your app and you can set the feature that way. This is storytelling mode. And if you have a Luka Hero device, you also have a point to read feature. You can go into your settings on the app and you can turn that on. Now this is very important. Use one finger and you can point under whatever characters you want Luka to read. And as you can see, on the screen, he shows how to write the character as well as the pinyin and the tone for it. And then when you're ready, you can continue to point. So how do you know if your Luka device can read a book? We have 2 different ways. You can place the book in front of Luka, and if he's able to recognize it, he will start reading it to you. If not, you can go onto the app and you can search book titles and authors to see if the book is available on your Luka device. This is most convenient when you go to libraries or schools, any outing occasion where you need to see if the book is available. Your Luka reading robot is able to read tens of thousands of books, but for that occasional book that Luka can't read, you do have the option on the app to self-record a book. This is a great option for books such as family photo albums, picture books, even just smaller, less popular books that may not be a part of this library. The app will prompt you to take pictures of every page in the book. You will record and overlay your own audio. It's a great option for parents and teachers and just family members who want to give their child the option to that book, or just memories with photo books. So that is how you read with your Luka device. Have fun reading.